Hey guys, it's Najmul Hassan. Today I'll share the theme of the week. And today's theme of the week is Man of the Match Ibrahimovic. And inform Robin. And inform Lewandowski. And inform Turan. And inform De Bruyne. And inform Son. And man of the match Walters. And man of the match Kadar. I don't know him. He's shit. That's it. This is man of the match of this week. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you for watching and see you.